Hail Goddess Lakshmi, Hail Kuber Maharaj. On Dhanteras, do not buy gold and silver, but by buying this thing worth Rs 10. Goddess Lakshmi will be present in your house. The festival of Dhanteras is considered to be of special importance in Hinduism. Every year, the festival of Dhanteras is celebrated on the Triyodasi date of Krishna Paksha of Kartik month. This festival is considered to be a factor of wealth and prosperity. One on the day of Dhanteras, there is a ritual of special worship of Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesha, Lord Dhanvantari, and Kuber Devta. Friends, let us tell you that the festival of Diwali starts from the day of Dhanteras and the festival of Diwali. Deepavali is of 5 days which runs from Dhanteras to Bhaiya Dooj. Then the festival of Deepavali ends on the day of Bhaiya Dooj. On the day of Dhanteras, Goddess Lakshmi and Kuber Devta are worshipped along with Lord Dhanvantari, the father of Ayurvedic medical system, and the festival of Choti Diwali, Small Diwali, or Narak Chaturdasi is celebrated the next day of this festival. According to the scriptures, worshipping Lord Dhanvantari gives good health and keeps the person energetic. Apart from this, devotees, let us tell you all that this year in 2024, the Triyodasi date of Kartik month will start from 10:31 am on Tuesday 29 October and Triyodasi date will end on Wednesday 30 October at 1:15 pm. In such a situation, according to the Udaya date, the holy festival of Dhanteras will be celebrated on Tuesday 29 October 2024. Apart from this, friends, if we talk about the spacious time to worship on Dhanteras, then on October 29, the twilight period will start from 6:31 pm and will last till 8:31 pm. You will get 1 hour 42 minutes for the worship of Dhanteras. At this time, you can worship. Also, friends, let us tell you all that the worship of Dhanteras is always done is Pradosh period along with worshipping Lord Dhanvantari. Deepdan is also done. Along with this, the main door of the house is also lit. A lamp was also lit near the gate, roof, and tap outside the house. Also, one should face south. After this, a lamp is light. It is believed that by doing this, there is no fear of ultimately death. According to religious beliefs, on Dhanteras Triyodasi Tithi of Kartik month, during the churning of the Okin, Lord Dhanvantari appeared with the Amrit Kalash. Because of this date is now is Dhanteras of Dhantriyodasi Tithi. According to beliefs, Lord Dhanvantari is considered to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu on the auspicious day. Along with Lord Dhanvantari, Vishnu beloved Mother Lakshmi, Kubera, the god of wealth, and Yamraj, the god of death, are worshipped. When Lord Dhanvantari appeared from the churning of the Okin, he had a pot of nectar in his hand, so there is a tradition of buying utensils on this day. Dhanteras is considered to be the best day for shopping. It is believed that buying things on this day increases their value 3 times. On this day, people buy gold and silver, are things made of gold and silver, so that there is happiness and prosperity in their house and the blessing of Goddess Lakshmi remain so that they never have to face any problem. Along with this, shopping on Dhanteras is also said to be very auspicious in the scriptures. But there are many people who, due to some reason, are not able to buy gold and silver on the festival of Dhanteras. So let us tell you that apart from gold and silver, there are some such things which you can buy instead of gold and silver. By buying these things on Dhanteras, Goddess Lakshmi is also pleased and she appears in the house of her devotees. So also she also keeps her grace on the devotee. You will get blessing from Goddess Lakshmi by purchasing that things and with the blessing of Kuberji, the god of wealth, you get many times more fruits. In this video, I will tell you what is the spacious time to shop on Dhanteras. What is the method of worshipping on Dhanteras? Apart from this, which items to buy on Dhanteras bring happiness, wealth and prosperity? But before that, if you also want that the blessing of good as Lakshmi and the god of wealth, Kuber Maharaj always remain on you and your family, then like this video and subscribe to the channel and mark your presence by writing Jai Lakshmi Mata, Jai Kuber Maharaj with a true heart in the comment box. So dear devotees, let us first know what is the auspicious time to purchase items on Dhanteras. So devotees, let us tell you all that this time in the year 2024 two auspicious yogas are being formed for shopping on Dhanteras. Shopping in both these auspicious yogas will be very auspicious. Talking about the first auspicious time for shopping on Dhanteras, Tripushkar Yoga is being formed on the day of Dhanteras. This yoga is considered very auspicious. Shopping in this yoga will be very auspicious. This yoga will remain from 6:31 a.m. on Tuesday, October 29 to 10:31 a.m. the next day. Shopping done in this yoga increases the things three times. Second auspicious time to shop on Dhanteras, Abhijit Muhurta is also being formed on the day of Dhanteras, and shopping in this yoga will give you auspicious results. Shop between 11:42 a.m. to 12:27 p.m. on October 29. Shopping at this time will prove auspicious for you. So devotees, this was the auspicious time to shop on Dhanteras. Come on dear devotees, now let's know about the worship method of Dhanteras. So friend, let us tell you all that on the day of Dhanteras, after talking, bath and meditation in Brahma Muhurta, you should go to the temple and fill your left hand with water and sprinkle it on yourself and around you. After this, keep a chowki towards the north direction and spread a red cloth on it. But keep it in mind that the place where you are placing the chowki should be cleaned thoroughly. Then sprinkle Ganga Jal everywhere and install the statue or idol of Kuberdev. Along with Kuberdev, you should also install the picture of Lord Ganesha, Mata Lakshmi and Lord Dhanvantri. Along with this, during the worship, offer moli to all the deities, then over roli akshat, but batel believe leaf sweets, fruits, flowers, etc. Also offer things to Kuber Dev according to your faith. While performing the Sam Puja, you must also keep a silver coin and coconut. After this recite Lord Dhanvantri and Lakshmi Chalisa and perform Aarti with a ghee lamp. After the worship, distribute the prasad among everyone and also do Ratri Jagran. Also light lamps at the main gate and in the courtyard in the evening because the festival of Diwali begins from the day of Dhanteras. So, this was the worship method of Dhanteras. Now, let us know which things to buy on Dhanteras. Fill the storehouse of wealth with the special blessing of Goddess Lakshmi and Kubir Maharaj. The good of wealth. First, turmeric lamp. Friends, buying some turmeric powder on the day of Dhanteras is also considered auspicious on Dhanteras. After seeing the auspicious time, bring home lamps of yellow turmeric or black turmeric from the market. Place this turmeric on a clean cloth and worship it with 6 rituals. This is a remedy to increase wealth and prosperity. By doing this, Goddess Lakshmi becomes pleased soon and showers her blessing on the devotee. Second, betel nut. Buying betel nut on the festival of Dhanteras is considered very auspicious. Betel nut is also used in worship in Sanatan Dharma. Betel nut is also used in the worship of Dhanteras. According to the scriptures, betel nut is considered a symbol of Brahmadev, Varundev, Yamdev and Indradev. Friends, it is considered auspicious to keep the betel nut in the safe or cupboard after worship on Dhanteras. This will never cause a shortage of wealth in your life and the safe will always be full of wealth. Also, you will get auspicious results by the grace of Goddess Lakshmi and good of wealth Kuber Maharaj Ji. Third, picture of owl. It is believed that the owl, the vehicle of Goddess Lakshmi, destroys negative energy. You must buy a picture of an owl on Dhanteras. On the day of Dhanteras, stick the picture of an owl in the safe or cupboard where you keep money. Having the picture of an owl in the money place increases the inflow of money and brings prosperity in the house, due to which one never has to face financial problems. For Shankh. Shankh is considered very spacious in Hinduism. It is believed that buying a Shankh and worshipping it on the day of Dhanteras increases wealth and gains in the house. Also, buying clothes for good on this day is also considered auspicious. By doing this, you get auspicious results. Also, by blowing Shankh on the day of Dhanteras, the ill effect of negative energy are removed from the house and positive energy resides in the house, due to which an atmosphere of happiness and peace prevails in the house. 5. Salt. Friends, Let us tell you all that salt is considered a symbol of positive energy. So buying salt on Dhanteras is also considered auspicious according to astrology. Buy a packet of salt worth Rs 10 on this day. Buying salt on this day bring happiness and prosperity in the house, and there is never any financial crisis in a person's life. Along with this, the devotee receives the immense blessing of goddess Lakshmi. 6. Gomati Chakra. Gomati Chakra is very dear to goddess Lakshmi. On the day of Dhanteras, buy Gomati Chakra and bring it home, and in the evening while worshipping goddess Lakshmi, worship Gomati Chakra as well. After this, keep it in your money safe. It is believed that this keeps your money place always full of money, and there is prosperity in wealth. 7. Buy Lakshmi Charan on the day of Dhanteras and bring 2 pairs of Lakshmi Charan from the market during the auspicious time. One of the 2 feet should be placed at the main door while coming inside, and the other foot should be placed while coming inside the place of worship. Also, do their arti before placing the feet. Placing the feet is considered to be an indicator of the arrival of wealth. It is believed that by doing this, goddess Lakshmi resides in the house. 8. Offering of Batasha. Batasha is used as an offering in all the auspicious works of Hindu religion. According to the scriptures, Batasha is the most favorite offering of Mata Lakshmi. Batasha is used in every worship of the mother. Therefore, you must buy Batasha on Dhanteras and offer Batasha to Mata Lakshmi in the worship of Dhanteras. By doing this, Ma Lakshmi is blessed, and there will never be a shortage of money in your treasury. 9. Yantra. Kuber Yantra is considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Keeping it in the house improves the financial condition. Also, by worshipping Kuber Yantra, all the wishes of a person related to wealth are fulfilled. This yantra helps in bringing prosperity and happiness and peace in the house. Therefore, you must buy Kuber Yantra on Dhanteras. By doing this, Kuber Maharaj will soon ask you. 10. Broom. Bringing a broom into the house on Dhanteras is considered very spacious in the scriptures. The broom is considered a symbol of goddess Lakshmi, so a broom must be brought into the house on the festival of Dhanteras. Just as a broom cleans our house, in the same way, goddess Lakshmi clean the dirt of your mind and fills it with good thoughts. Also, the ill effect of negative energy are removed from the house, and positive energy resides in the house, due to which happiness and peace remains in the house. 11. Donation to according to Lal Kitab, Red Book. If a person donates to a inch with devotion on the day of Dhanteras, then it is auspicious. By donating to a inch on the day of Dhanteras, the blessings of Kuber, the the god of wealth, always remain, and by doing this, Mother Lakshmi is also pleased. First of all, donate to the inch of the day of Dhanteras. After donating, if the anch himself gives you a coin, then it is very auspicious. It is believed that if the anch gives you a coin without asking, then your luck shines. Also money rains on you. If the anch does not give a coin, then you can also ask for a coin from him. Keep that coin in your purse of safe. By doing this, there is no problem of any kind in life. 12. Deepdan. As you know that Diwali is considered to start from the day of Dhanteras. To strengthen your financial condition and free yourself from debt, by diyas on the day of Dhanteras and light a garland of diyas outside the house. By doing this, you will not only get freedom from debt, but also there will be no fear of untimely death. Untimely death. 13. Whole coriander. Buying coriander on the day of Dhanteras is also considered very auspicious. Buy whole coriander on Dhanteras and place it in front of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Dhanvantri. After this, after telling your wish, sow some coriander in the garden and tie some in a red cloth and keep it in your safe. By doing this, your financial problems will be resolved as soon as possible. 14. Ideal or picture of Gau Mata. In Hinduism, cow is worshipped as a mother. Gau Mata is given special respect in Indian culture. Keeping her picture or ideal in the house increases happiness and prosperity. Also, worshipping Gau Mata increases positive energy in the house. It is believed that worshipping Gau Mata brings Goddess Lakshmi in the house. So, friend, these were the things which, when brought on Dhanteras, Goddess Lakshmi resides in the house and keeps her blessings on the devotees. If you like the video, then like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and set the bell notification to all so that you get the notification of every new video coming from us first. Thank you for watching the video.